delicious homemade grilled lemon herb chicken recipe. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookeries channel. Today, we have a mouthwatering recipe for you, grilled lemon herb chicken. It's a perfect dish for a healthy and flavorful meal. So, let's dive right into it. Before we get started, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for our grilled lemon herb chicken. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 teaspoon dried rosemary. Salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by taking our boneless, skinless chicken breasts. In a bowl, combine the juice of 1 lemon, which will add a burst of citrusy freshness. Add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme for a wonderful herby flavor. And don't forget 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary for that aromatic touch. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's mix it all together, ensuring that our chicken is well coated with these delightful flavors. Benefits. While our grilled lemon herb chicken is marinating, let's talk about some of the benefits. 1-inch chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle health and overall body function. 2 inches lemon not only adds a zesty taste but is also packed with vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system. 3 thyme and rosemary are aromatic herbs that not only enhance the taste but may have some antioxidant properties. Now, it's time to fire up the grill. 1 inch preheat your grill to medium-high heat. 2 inches place our marinated chicken breasts on the grill grates. 3 grill each side for about 6-7 minutes or until they are cooked through and no longer pink in the center. And there you have it, our grilled lemon herb chicken is ready. Look at those beautiful grill marks. The combination of lemon and herbs makes this chicken incredibly flavorful and juicy. It's the perfect dish for a healthy and satisfying meal. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this delicious and easy to make grilled lemon herb chicken recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipe and cookeries channel for more mouthwatering recipes and cooking inspiration. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you next time. Taste it. Thank you.